Hi guys, and welcome back to Master Genie channel. So today we are going to be going on the train. That's all we've got today, so let's go.
Show them the train. Show the train.
Yeah, I'm going to get on there right now.
We've just got to pay our entrance fee, haven't we? So we've just got to pay. It's 30 pence each, which is a pretty good bargain, I think, isn't it, Ayla? Here we go. Hello, just two of us, please, again. Thanks very much. Thank you. Thank you. Come on, let's go. Oh, we may have to wait.
Can I put you on the next train?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
I'll put that.
Put your glasses on. Show people the train that we go on.
Oh, yes.
Thank you. I'll put them on there as well. Sorry.
Yeah,
really sorry.
No, worry.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
You can go on the front, please.
Go on in here.
Yeah, of course.
Ready? Here we go again. And it's a really small train, isn't it? Show people the train so they can see how small it is. Can you see that, folks? That is going to take us all the way round. Okay, we'll be going soon. And it goes quite fast, doesn't it? You'd be surprised how quick it goes. And they've got a steam train over there, which I think is being fixed.
It's gonna go. It's gonna start. It's gonna start.
It's going to start soon. It will do soon. And it's quite a long way up there, all the way around, so it's quite a long journey. Here we go. Show people the steam train. Show people the steam train. You see that, guys? That's not in commission at the moment. That one's being fixed, apparently. So as you can see, we're going really fast. Huh? Yeah. There's the other one. Wave to everyone as we go along. We're going. It's amazing that little train is managing to carry all these people. There's about 7 of us on here, including the driver. It's going really fast, isn't it?
And it's also really loud.
you enjoy it?
Yeah.
I did. I love these trains. Next time we'll hopefully go on the steam train. Hopefully that'll be working. Here we go. There we go. That was good, wasn't it? Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.
We'll go get it.
Okay.
No, this way.
It's in glass. It's in glass.
Yeah, come on then.
Yeah.
Thanks very much. Thank you. Thanks very much. Bye bye.
There you go. Have a good evening.
You too. Thank you. See you later.
Okay.
So, that's our adventure on the train. We're now going to go home and have a barbecue, aren't we?
Mhm.
Should we do that?
Yeah.
Alright then. Say goodbye to everyone. See you later, everyone.
Hello. Okay, wait. Let's go over here. I want to go here.
See you later, everyone.
If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe. Love you. Bye.
Bye.